Welcome back. Crime branch has arrested prime suspect in Jeweller Ratnakar Raikar murder case, Saidul Islam. He has been arrested from Kolkata. Mapusa Court has granted police remand of 14 days to him. The case has got a breakthrough after 1 year.
Crime branch on Monday brought suspect Saidul Islam from Kolkata. Crime branch official told Prudent that he has not yet been charged for murder, but he is a prime suspect. Saidul is a gold artisan and used to take ornament accessories from Ratnakar Raikar. His role is under suspicion as he had left Goa some time after the murder. Owner of famous Kamakshi Jeweller store Ratnakar Raikar was killed on 16th of September 2012 in his shop at Mapusa, and nearly 3 kg gold was stolen from his shop. Mapusa police had failed to crack this case, and later this case was transferred to the crime branch. Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
DIG Mishra has appealed the house owners not to get lured by exorbitant rent offered by the outsiders. Police will carry intense tenant verification process. Moreover, ANC along with FDA will continue its raids at various spots where drugs are being traded. Police has modified its patrolling system for the upcoming tourist season.
The educational institutions and in and around areas are becoming vulnerable for the from the drugs point of view. From that angle, anti-narcotic cell in cooperation with the Department of Food and Drug Administration also, they have started conducting raids. We recently had a raid in Ponda, and this is also going to be a normal feature. It happens that criminals who intend to take premises on rent, they would like to give exorbitant rent also. They would like to pay more rent than the market rent of that area. But more money which is being offered is not taken with a pinch of salt. We should be cautious when we are at least going to rent out our premises. We have dedicated 5 highway patrol vans in the first phase, and out of these patrol vans, there are 2 patrol vans which are in South District and 3 patrol vans are in the North District. So these highway patrols are round the clock. We are going to have very intense tenant verification now all across the state, and all the officers, they are going to be sensitized about it.
Truck owners from Goa are up in arms against illegal transportation of sand from Maharashtra to Goa. They have given an ultimatum of 6 days to the state administration to crack down on the illegalities or have warned of severe consequences. Sand transportation is being carried out during night across the border, allegedly in connivance with the state police.
आमचे जर गाडयो जर गोयान जर चल्ले जाल्यार आमकां मान डिपार्टमेंटाचे किंवा मामलेदार किंवा डायरेक्टर कोणय येता आनी आमचे गाडयो धरता आनी आमकां 12-13 हजार रुपये फायन घालता. आनी आयज महाराष्ट्राचे गाडयो बिनदास हांगा गोयान चलता, तांकां कोणूच येवन तांकां तेंचे गाडयो आडना आनी तांकां कोण धरिना आनी तांकां कोण फायन घालिना. चडशे गाडयो सकाळच्या 4 पासून स्टार्ट जाता, परत सांजच्या 5 पर्यंत गाडयो. आता पत्रादेवी गेटीर कितलेशेच पुलीस, इवन 7-8 गेटीर पुलीस आसा. त्यांच्या मुखा वचून म्हणजे कितलेशे गाडयो म्हणजे लायसन पास कोणाकडे रॉयल्टी पास ना म्हणजे ती गाडी इल्लीगल जाली, बरोबर. मग ते गाडयो पास चेकिंग केल्याशिवाय पुलीस कशे सोडटा. एक्शन जावंक ना जाल्यार आमी त्या लेटराचेर दिल्लो आसा. आमी तांकां 5-6 दीस टायम दिल्लो आसा, 5 दिसांचो. आमी वचून स्वता गेटीर गाडी आडायतले, ते आडायतले आनी कोणाक आपयतले आणि पुलिसांक फोन मारता आनी दाखयतले. जर तुम्ही म्हणटा बेकायदेशीर केला ना जाल्यार हे गाडयो खंयचे म्हणून तांकां आमी दाखोवन दितले.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.